Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The expression we have over here is equivalent to 1/3 times x to the kth power, where k is a constant and x is greater than 0. What is the value of k? Okay, since the expression over here is equivalent to this one, we can write this one as an equation. Okay, let me write it. That is x to the power of 27 times x negative 7 divided by 3x cube positive 7 times x to the power of 27 divided by 3 times x cube is equal to 1 over 3 times x to the power of k. Here we add two fractions with the same denominator. Now we can take this 3 times x cube as common denominator. Okay, let me take it, and we can add the two numerators over here. Then we get x to the power of 27 times x negative 7 positive 7 times x to the power of 27. Okay, here we multiply the fraction 1 over 3 and x to the kth power. So whenever we multiply a fraction and some stuff like this, we can multiply this one and the numerator 1. 1 times x to the power of k is the same divided by 3. Okay, now when I consider the expression we have over here, both the terms contain x to the power of 27. So we can factor it out. Okay, let me factor x to the power of 27 out. When we factor this one out, we are left with x negative 7 over here. And in the second term, we are left with positive 7 divided by 3 times x cube equals to x to the power of k divided by 3. Here negatives and positives will cancel out, and also we find 3 in denominator on both sides. Let's multiply both sides of this equation by 3 to get up the denominator 3 on both sides. So here 3 will cancel out, and the resulting equation is x to the power of 27 times. Here we have x, and in denominator we have x cube. On the right side we have x to the power of k. And for this x, there is no exponent. We can assume there is exponent 1. Here we multiply two powers with the same base, that is x. Whenever we multiply two powers with the same base, we can take the base ones and we have to add the exponents using the product rule of exponents. When I add 27 and 1, I am getting 28. In denominator, we have x to the third power equals to x to the power of k. Here we divide two powers with the same base x. Then we can take the base ones and we have to subtract the exponents. Then we get 28 negative 3. Have done this one using the quotient rule in exponents. On the right side, we can write x to the power of k. Okay, here x to the power of 28 negative 3 is 25. On the right side, we have x to the power of k. Now, two powers are equal with the same base x. Whenever two powers are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. When I do so, I am getting 25 equals to k. Okay, here I got the value of k, that is 25. We find 25 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.